Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be doing a video on Robocraft. For those of you who don't know, Robocraft is kind of like Minecraft in the way that you build things, in the sense that everything's designed in blocks. Today, I'm thinking that we're going to start off with the T1 bot, show you guys how to build them effectively, and then throughout the videos we're going to eventually move them up until we eventually get to even the TX bots. There will be a link in the description for the game if you don't have it. So, well, I guess that's it. Like and subscribe if you like the video. If not, leave a comment, tell me what you didn't like, and I'll change it. Alright guys, we're back on the computer now, and we're going to be building our MK1 bot. I am level 55. Apparently there's a block somewhere. Oh. So first thing we're going to do is mirror this. Mirror is M, in case you don't know. And even though I may be level 5 and have 1000 P flops, I'm only going to be building with the standard CPU of a level 1 player, which is 422 P flops. Thinking straight line down the middle. Now, for those of you that are new to this game, when you build with triangles that tend to move damage away from the stuff that's near them. And in fact, some triangles often have the chance to deflect bullets, which is why I prefer triangles whenever I build. Oh. Yeah, unfortunately, my computer is not in the best condition at the moment, so script errors are a common error. But I'm working on it. Okay, we're gonna put the steering wheels in the front with the regular wheels in the back. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, whoops. It appears as though they've changed most of the controls. So I myself am still getting used to them. So I'm thinking that we're going to start off with this for the top. Give the wheels a tad bit of protection. Awesome. So that's protecting the wheels from the front. So this is going to be a vehicle based mostly on frontal combat, which means that most of the enemies that I'm going to try to face with this are going to be attacking from the front. So I'm going to be using a strategy which is meant to pull damage away from the turrets themselves and the blocks under them by using triangles to kind of act as bumpers between the robot, or between the blocks supporting the turret and the turret itself. So essentially we're building kind of like a turret in a castle. So that way, in the event that this gets shot and takes damage, it will not transition to this block here. Because when you take damage, it transitions throughout the vehicle. We're going to put those guys there. Actually, I'm also going to need more triangles, so we're going to go into here. Alright, so we're going to go like this, and we're going to put another turret behind it. Ooh. Now it appears as though we're going to have a problem with this turret. So instead we're going to start construction on the most important part of this. Oh. Hold on. Apparently people are swearing, so just don't look at the chat. Sorry, not in my control. Okay, make sure you're not getting my armor. So then I'll put this like that. Nope, it appears as though I'm going to have to go one higher for that. And there you go. Kind of a standard cab protection. There you have it. There's your where your cab is going to go. So then from here, we're going to build the turrets off of this. We should have enough room for these on here. I think now we're going to go like this and add another turret up there. And we are still in our P-flop range, which is nice to know. As you can tell, the back is kind of just there for these two radar dishes here. Now some finishing touches. putting a little attachment there so that way I can't shoot it off the side. Then here's where the tricky part comes, of trying to figure out how to maneuver this into here. And there you have it. So this is our bot. If you guys want to see the test video for it, I'll also leave a link in that in the comments, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'll leave a link in that in the comments. So here we have our first T1 bot. And you know what? We're going to take this on a drive through the practice course. Right after. You have to buy more of these. Let's finish it up. And here we have our design. Alright, now off to the practice. And let's see how she works. The last one of these bots I tried to design, we unfortunately had a problem with it getting caught on the ground. But I seem to have worked out the problem. And as you saw, it was underneath the range of 422 blocks. So, level 1 players should be able to build this. So once this loads in, we're going to test the bot out and we'll end the video. After this, I'll put in some gameplay with it. Show you guys how it works. So, handles very nicely. All 5 guns shoot. For maximum firepower, you want to have 6 guns. This is designed to have a little bit less than max firepower. Oh, very stable. It's relatively easy to turn. You may want to fix its maneuverability a bit, but then again, it's not designed to be fast. Oh, and look to there. Let's see, get one. Let's see if we can do it. And there you have it, our first kill with the bot. Oh, a little bit of lag there. But as you can tell, the bot works perfectly fine. Has an equal balance between its maneuverability, armor, and its firepower for the level that I'd be played at. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.